In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Rivo email pop-ups on your Shopify store. We'll go step by step, starting right from your Shopify admin, and by the end, you'll have Rivo installed and your email pop-ups ready to go. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. At the very top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click on that search bar to open the search options. From the drop-down that appears, select Apps. This tells Shopify that you want to search within the App Store. Now type Rivo into the search field and press enter on your keyboard to see the results. In the Shopify App Store results, look for the app called Rivo Loyalty Program Rewards. This is the correct app we'll be using for email pop-ups as well as loyalty features. Click on that app listing to open its details page, then click the install button. Shopify will walk you through a few installation prompts, such as confirming permissions and allowing the app to connect to your store. Just follow those prompts until the installation is complete and you're taken into the Rivo dashboard. Once you're inside the Rivo dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a menu with different options related to Rivo. Find the option that says View More under the Rivo sub-menu and click it. This will expand additional features. From the expanded list, look for the Emails option and click on that. In the Email section, you can manage and customize all of your loyalty-related emails. Here you'll see toggles for different types of messages like points earned, reward redeemed, birthday celebrations, loyalty anniversaries, and reward expiry warnings or last chance notices. You can turn each email type on or off depending on what you want your customers to receive. This is a great place to set up automated communication that keeps customers engaged without you having to manually send anything. Next, we need to make sure Rivo is actually embedded on your storefront. Go back to your Shopify admin and look again at the left-hand panel. Find and click on Online Store. Under your current theme, click the Edit Theme option to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look at the leftmost sidebar. Under the icons there, click the App Embeds icon, which is just below the gear icon. This is where Shopify lets you turn on features from installed apps. Find Rivo in the list of app embeds and toggle it on to enable it for your live theme. Once you've enabled Rivo, don't forget to save your changes. Go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click the Save button. After it saves, Rivo email pop-ups will be active on your store and ready to start capturing and engaging your customers.